Like and subscribe right now for amazing luck for the next week.
Make sure to watch today's full video to see an optical illusion where only superhumans can hear this sound. And not just that, but don't forget to comment your answers down below in the comment section.
Take a look at this photo here. Is there 3 or 4 people? Make sure you look carefully enough and then let me know and I'll go and reveal the answer in a few seconds. Okay, so the answer is actually that there are 4 people, because the guy on the left is actually wearing camouflage. Did you guys see him? Or was he too camouflaged? Tap as many circles as you can and comment how many times you can tap them in the next 10 seconds. There are 2 deers in this photo, right? But you can probably only see 1 deer, and that one's pretty obvious. So let's try to find the second deer. Only people with the best eyesight are actually able to spot both. So comment down below if you were able to spot it. Alright, so the second deer is actually not a real deer. It's actually just a shape of a deer made out of tree branches. If you were able to find this, then you have superhuman vision. Now you need to try to stop the cookies so they perfectly match up to the outline. Are you able to do this one? Good luck. Which one of these 3 circles is the odd one out? They're all blue as we can see, but one of them is slightly a different shade. What do you guys think? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Alright, so the odd circle out was actually number 3. If you guys also got number 3, then you got it right. We now have this dog on our screen, but I want you to do is tell me how many dogs do you see in this photo. Comment down below how many dogs you see and then we can all go and compare our answers. In this optical illusion, there are families that took photos together, but the way they're sitting, it created an animal. What animal do you guys see in between the families? Comment down below what the 3 animals are. So in the far left one, it's a dog. The middle one, it's a cat. And the far right one, it's a bunny. Did you get all of these right? This specific illusion messes with my brain. So right now, it looks like there's some curved lines. But when you focus really hard on the lines, every single line here is straight. It doesn't make any sense. Focus on the lines and then they go from curved to straight. Like, I don't get how this works. This photo here is really going to test your eyes. There are 3 numbers in this black circle. Are you able to see them? Comment what the 3 numbers are as well. Alright, so the 3 numbers in this photo are 0, 8, and 6. Did you get this correct, or was it too hard to see? So right now you can probably see the word hello on your screen. But if you squint your eyes, there's actually a hidden word. If you can see what the hidden word is, then comment down below what it says and I'll reveal if you got it right or not. Okay, so the hidden word on the screen actually says, hello there. Did you get this one right? Read what it says in this triangle out loud. Did you read it as a bird in the hand? If you did, that was actually wrong, because there's a mistake here, because it actually says a bird in the hand. Our mind makes us correct the mistake and we don't even notice it. Isn't that crazy, right? In this photo, it's raining outside and these kids need to get to the roof so they can take down the towels. But are you able to figure out which way they need to go? So, they needed to go this way. Did you get this one right? In this photo, there are 2 animals hidden. Which 2 animals can you see? Comment down below so I can make sure you got them correct. Okay, so the 2 animals are actually a rabbit and a duck. Did you see them both, or were you not able to? Now we can see a dolphin on our screen, right? But there's actually another animal hidden inside of this photo. So try your best to see if you can find the second animal and comment what it is as well if you can spot it. Alright, so look what happens when we turn this photo upside down. It now reveals some birds in this photo. Were you able to find the birds, or was it too hard? Let me know in the comments. Can you spot the difference between these 2 pictures of SpongeBob? Comment what the difference is as well if you can spot it. Alright, so the difference between these two photos is actually with SpongeBob's eyelashes, because one of them is missing on the photo on the right. If you were able to spot the difference, you have really good eyes. There's an emoji hidden somewhere in this photo. Are you able to spot the emoji? Only people with the best eyesight will be able to spot it, so comment what the emoji is as well if you can see it. Alright, so the hidden emoji in this photo is actually a fish, and it was right here in the water. Here we have the word team, but the letter I is actually hidden somewhere in this photo. So let me know if you can spot the letter I, and if you can comment where the letter is as well. Alright, the letter I is actually hidden in the A. So if you look closely, we can see the black parts in this letter are actually just the letter I. So right now, this lady is actually in half, and we have to bring her back together. So I want you to place your nose on the red dot, and the lady should then become joined together and look normal again. So place your nose on the red dot and try this one out for yourself. There's a panda hidden somewhere in this photo. Are you able to find it? Only people with the best eyesight are actually able to see the panda. Alright, the panda is actually right here. So did you find it in time? Now I want you to stop this video and try to land on the number 678. Like, there's no way you can probably do this. Only the quickest people in the world are actually able to stop this right on time. But let me know in the comments if you did it. Good luck. How many legs does this rhino have? Some people see 4, some people see 5, 6, 7, 8, but how many legs do you think it has? Comment down below and we can all go and compare our answers. My mind is going crazy right now. This shape is totally rotating. Literally nobody can figure this one out. So if you can, then you're a genius. But comment down below which way you think it's spinning. I really can't figure this one out.
Yes, you guys, as you saw in the title and thumbnail of today's video, only superhumans can hear this sound. But before we get into those challenges, can you like and subscribe before we begin? Let's play it again with 150% volume and see if you're able to hear it in 3, 2, 1. Can you hear it? Tell me in the comments below.